Hey guys, Nick here, back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. Today I'll show you how to install IPA files on your iPhone, no PC required, no jailbreak, and no revoke issues. This method works on both iPhone and iPad, and it's very safe. If you've always struggled with installing IPA files, this video is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open Safari and search for AppleJR.net. I'll also leave the link in the video description. Tap Scarlet, then scroll down and find AppleJR DNS. Tap Install. This helps prevent your installed IPA apps from getting revoked. Now open Settings. Go to General. Scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Tap AppleJR V2, then tap Install. After that, return to your home screen and you'll see AppleJR installed. Next, go back to Safari and tap Signer. Here, you can import the IPA file you want to install. For this demo, I prepared the iOS version of Nugget. Tap Upload IPA, then choose File and select the IPA file you want to install. Now you'll need to select a certificate. My suggestion, always choose the first certificate in the list since it's usually the newest and most stable. If that one doesn't work, try the second one. After selecting the certificate, tap Sign IPA. The system will automatically sign the file, just wait a few seconds. Once it's finished, tap Install IPA. Return to the home screen and you'll see the app starting to install. But we're not done yet. When you try to open the app, you'll see that you need to trust the developer. Go back to Settings, VPN, and Device Management. You'll see a new certificate there. Tap it and choose Trust, then tap Allow Restart. Your device will restart and you'll see a ready-to-install profile page. Tap Install Profile and the device will restart again. Don't worry, this process is completely safe. After the restart, the app will be fully verified, and you can open and use it normally. And that's it, you've successfully installed an IPA file on your iPhone, without a PC and without jailbreak. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos about installing IPA files soon. I'm Mick, and I'll see you in the next one.